Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix latency in Pro Tools. So you primarily need to reduce buffer size. These control how much time the computer takes to process audio before sending it to your speakers or headphones. So let's go here to the setup and then playback engine. Now this window will pop up right over here. Then find the HV buffer size, set this to low value. Right now is 256 samples. Uh, so here I can just, this is the lowest number, but if you have option to set to 32, 64 or 128 samples, will provide the fastest response but uses more CPU. For mixing, if you mixing, set this to 1024 samples. This high latency doesn't matter when mixing, and this prevents CPU overload, error when using many plugins. So if you still hear an echo while recording, you can bypass its internal mixer for your input signal. So go to the option and then find low latency monitor at the bottom. So now ensure that it's checked. So now it's checked. This will usually mute any plugins like reverb or delay on your record enabled track, so you hear the dry signal instantly. And yeah, this is basically it, how to fix latency. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next